Before going further into the course, I wanted to help you understand the hierarchy of Facebook ads so that you can navigate effortlessly. When I started up, I used to always get confused about where I can access all my payment settings, page settings, grant permissions, and everything else. It used to take me a lot of time to do small things. In this video, I'll help you understand all those things quickly. Hey guys, Sanat is this side, and this is the place where I talk about digital marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, and earning money online. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. And while you are at it, hit that notification bell so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. So let's start with the top level view. Until the time Business Suite is not rolling out to everyone, I believe this video will be relevant. Once that is rolled out to everyone, I'll replace this video with a new one so that the course is relevant. And also at the end of this video, I'll talk about Business Suite a bit. Anyway, to access the whole course, press the I button and you will be able to access the whole course. So first of all, let's talk about Creator Studio. Earlier, there was a thing called publishing tools. Some of you still will be able to see that in the left column of your page, which you manage, but Facebook is moving all those resources to Creator Studio. So let's directly talk about Creator Studio. You can access it by going to the page you manage and then clicking on this Creator Studio button in the left bar. You can use it to publish posts, schedule posts, test stuff, access the analytics, and finally manage page permissions or of various users. Now let's talk about the Business Manager specifically. Business Manager comprises of multiple business assets such as ad accounts, pages, pixels, payment settings, and a lot more. And you can access the Business Manager by going to business.facebook.com. Then inside a Business Manager, as I already mentioned, there can be a lot of ad accounts, and inside an ad account there are a lot of campaigns, and inside a campaign there are a lot of ad sets, and inside an ad set there are a lot of ads. And this is what the hierarchy looks like. Now how do you access an ad account? Is by first visiting the URL which I just mentioned, which is business.facebook.com, and then selecting the Business Manager that has the ad account you want to access, and then clicking on the ad account you want to access. This will take you to the ad manager. In front of your dashboard right now is that particular thing, and this particular dashboard helps you navigate between campaigns, ad sets, and ads. Once you are inside an ad account, you can go through various other things by just clicking on this hamburger menu and access Audience Manager, Event Manager, Creative Hub, and a lot of other things. In this same menu, you will also find ad account settings, and this will take you to the screen where you can add the payment method. And this is the place where you add your payment method for an individual ad account. And this is what I exactly mentioned in the last video. Add the payment method here and not in your Business Manager. I'm not even going to waste your time by explaining where to find that even, because you would end up submitting a payment setting and you would end up paying for your clients, and that's not what I want you to do. Now in the start of this video I mentioned something about Business Suite. So in short, if I have to explain about Business Suite, then it is something where Facebook is trying to club everything inside. Currently Creator Studio and Ads Manager are at totally different places, and they want to bring all those things under one particular umbrella, and that's why they are doing this particular thing, which is bringing up Business Suite. Well, in the last video I already explained to you how to give access to people on different levels. Check out that particular video if you haven't already. Click on the I button and you will be able to access that particular video. And this is how you are able to access your client's account professionally without sending them a friend request. So do check that particular video out in order to know how you do that. And in the next video, we'll go through different types of ads and their dimensions. Until next time, bye bye.